lifters. That'll come out. I got one out. So one came for a ride. So what I do like as we're taking this motor apart, it might be a little wear on the cam, but I don't see any metal, so that's what I'm looking for. So we're just gonna pull these bad boys out. Oh yeah, that's how it comes out smooth. We like to see that because that means that there's gonna be no issue in the lifter bores. I mean, look at that. I mean, that shit looks brand new. Oh yeah, there we go. Guys, if your shit can't come out like that, bro, that means you got a junk motor. So far it's looking good, right? So far, we're gonna hold our breath, but it's looking okay. And out, easy out. We're not gonna use any of that stuff again. Look at that, easy out with the magnet. Oh yeah. Look at that, easy peasy, baby. Easy peasy. We'll come over here to the other side. Off of here. I would suggest don't losing these. Whenever you're taking them off, they're good reusable. Certain things you don't want to toss out. We probably won't reuse any of the trays or anything like that, only because they've already been on the motor a while and they form to the lifters. So, you know, even though these don't look that bad. So we got one, hold on, let's see. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Right up. Nice. Another one popping out. I got one that's a little bit funky. Oh, there we go. Still coming out. Looks good. And last but not least, one more. Look at that, boys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all those out of there. And they got good spin on them. So that's I like to see that, because that means that the motor was not abused. You can look down in here and see in the cam too pretty good. I don't see anything that's sparking me like,